Oh my gosh, it's the Nintendo toaster! Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so buttery. Well, thanks to that YouTube tutorial, I was able to do proper perspective. It's really small on the page, but here are the perspective lines, and it looks pretty good. Even though it's like super small, I could just make them I could just make it larger compared to this abomination right here. This looks a million times better. I don't get any credit for this one, I admit. I only did it just to learn how to do perspective. So I basically did it how this person did it right here. So I just took everything and put it in a box. And it looks proper as compared to this one that I did. I'm not going to finish it, actually. Reason because I'm not evil and I don't plagiarize. I wouldn't draw this whole thing and say, hey, look everybody, I did it. No, I'm just copying just for the sake of learning. When you learn, you copy what somebody else did, like in your math book, and then you do it yourself. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna try to make my own in the box experience. I know it's kind of small, so let's kind of like fix it. We're gonna take this, we're gonna go Command E, which merges it down. Don't ask me why it's Command E, I would totally make it Command M, but whatever. We're gonna select it, and we're gonna make it bigger. Bigger! Bigger! Oh, look at that. It's Santa Papyrus's house. This is downward eagle-eyes perspective. This, I made it too even. Then, once you do it on your own, you kind of see your own mistakes and all that stuff. I just know to avoid that when I do it on my own, so... Theirs looks better than mine, obviously, so they can't accuse me of screwing them over. And for the record, if anybody wants to follow me, I am the board enthusiast. I have so many pins. I have so many followers that I didn't even know that I had. But yeah, you do you. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, I save so much stuff that I had to put in alphabetical order because I don't even know where half of my stuff is. Okay, so I remember in one of my videos before, I had an issue of always having my thing inside this select thing, so you press Shift Command A to make it go away. And if that happens again, just press Shift Command A again. Horizon line. Perspective dots, horizontal line. Hook up those two corners. Hook them up with the perspective lines. Do the same thing on the opposite sides. Lower that opacity. Retrace the whole box. Alright, so we set up the basic floor plan. Now to put it in here. Alright, we are done with all of the perspective work and putting all the furniture in place. Now we just gotta take off the perspective and we're just gonna tweak everything and make everything all pretty. I want to feel like we're in the room. So we're gonna like erase this part. Ah yeah, it's beginning to feel like a room already. Yes! It's back! Ah, I needed to send it in for repair. Well, they sent me a new one actually. Thank God! Yes! Wait, this is the same one! That's my pen mark right there. Did they just repair this? Or did they send me an actual new one? Well, I guess that's good because it has the same serial number. But yeah, they sent me a new tablet all together. Yes! I haven't been able to finish my video because my stupid thing broke. Whoa! There's something about holding it new in your hands and it's like so soft and new. Oh, it smells like a new car. Oh yeah! I'm gonna plug this baby in, yes! Alright, after on another layer redrawing everything, to give it kind of a human touch, I used really basic coloring techniques and just did basically like a monochrome, just single color because I don't even know color theory that well yet. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I'd like to see your two-plan perspective. Give it a shot. Don't be shy. Always challenge yourself. Push yourself. And until next time, see you later.